Student's Book, page 12. 2. Jog the Alien.
Jog is an alien. He's in Skip Town today. There are lots of exciting places in the town, and Jog likes visiting exciting places. Jog is going into the supermarket in Green Street now. He wants some vegetables for his picnic. Mr. and Mrs. Dawes live in Green Street. They are in the bookshop. Mrs. Dawes points to Jog and says, "There's an alien in our supermarket." "No, there isn't," says Mr. Dawes. "That's Charlie, I think. Yes, I think that's Charlie. Charlie likes wearing funny clothes. Hello, Charlie," he calls. "Good morning," answers Jog. "Shall I get you some beans?" "No, thanks," Mr. Dawes answers. "What about an onion?" asks Jog. Aliens love eating onions. "No," Mr. Dawes says. "But thank you for asking, Charlie." Jog buys his vegetables and then goes cars to the car park in Skip Town. The car park is in the town centre. Jog sits and has his picnic and then counts the cars there. Aliens love counting cars. Charlie and Lily live in Skip Town. They're in the town centre too. They're in their truck on the road. Charlie points to Jog. "Look," he says. "There's an alien in the car park." "No," says Lily. "That's Miss Kite in her new hat, I think. Yes, I think that's Miss Kite." She opens the window and calls, "Miss Kite?" "Hello," answers Jog. "Shall I find a place for your truck here?" "No, thanks," Lily calls. Charlie and Lily aren't stopping. They're going to the cinema. "Well, what about in the car park next to the station?" Jog asks. "No," Lily says. "But thank you for asking, Miss Kite. Bye." Jog is outside the circus now. He likes watching the people there. The circus is opposite City Hospital. Miss Kite and Miss Reed live in Skip Town. They're going to the hospital today. Miss Kite points to Jog. "Look, there's an alien," she says. "Don't be silly," says her friend. "Put your glasses on. That's Mr. Dawes, I think. He's ill. Look. His face is green." "It isn't Mr. Dawes," answers Miss Kite quietly. She knows Jog is an alien, and she's afraid of aliens. "Good afternoon," says Jog. "Shall I help you cross the road?" "We're okay," Miss Kite says. "Well, shall I carry your bags for you?" Aliens love carrying bags. "No," she says. But thanks for asking. Goodbye. Jog is at the Funfair in Skiptown now. There are lots of exciting rides at the Funfair. One looks like a yellow spaceship. Sam and his sister Julia live in Skiptown. They're riding in the yellow spaceship. Sam sees Jog and points to him. Look, an alien, he says. Oh, yes, says Julia. Hi. Jog smiles. Good evening. My name's Jog, he says. Shall I take you for a ride above the town in my spaceship? Wow! Yes, please, says Sam. And then, can you take us home? Yes, no problem, says Jog. What a kind alien. Thank you very much, says Julia. I like helping people, says Jog. And we like making friends with aliens, say Sam and Julia.